Hey guys, it is Lane Morgan here, owner of Renown Cargo Trailers located in Douglas, Georgia. I've got some really good friends, some guests of mine today. This is Caleb and Emily, and they are freshly engaged, but Emily is in the mobile grooming industry. Tell them hey.
Hi, my name is Emily. I've been grooming for 8 years now, local. I went to college and, well, I decided I was grooming all through college and said, well, there's no degree that I could get in business that would make me more than what I was doing mobile dog grooming. And I would have to work for somebody else. And I knew I worked at a local restaurant here. I was not my own boss, and I really didn't enjoy it. And that's one of the main perks of being a mobile dog groomer is I own my own business and I can make my own hours. I can take off when I want to. I can work when I want to. It's just phenomenal.
We were just talking about that, and so guys, one of the things we're going to do in this video, and Caleb, he works on her van. She has a mobile van, and she has a Wagon Tails van right now, and she's thinking about getting a trailer, or not thinking about it, she's going to get a trailer. After talking with Caleb a while ago, he said this is definitely the way to go. But guys, y'all come around here and we're going to show you this one first off. So this is a 7x14. Most of the size we do is 7x14. You can customize it any way that you want. But this one's got underglow lights on it. That's why we're doing this video kind of at night, so you can see the underglow lights. There's 13 different colors to choose from. It just looks cool. We're doing them on some race car trailers. But this is what we call our legacy model. This one doesn't have the table in it. I'm gonna fire the generator up on the other one that's fully decked out, but you can see we can do whatever color you want. We use a flying pig tub normally, K9 dryers. You know, all of our tanks are above ground. We have heaters on our tanks, so if you're, like we got one going to Wisconsin next week, she's never gonna have to worry about her pipes breaking or busting from the cold weather. We didn't invent this business, but we have perfected it, I do believe. Overhead cabinets up above, base cabinets, 3 drawers, heater on the wall, brick black splash. We've got your clipper vac on the other side of the partition wall. We'll show you all that later. All right, you see how easy that is? It's pretty quiet. We've got electric jack on the tongue, 100-pound propane tank. Why I like the propane is because you can run off propane a whole lot longer than you can gasoline. We've got a steel platform up here, guys, not your plywood, so you never have to worry about replacing your platform. We'll come around here. This one is pink and black, two-tone. Again, you can customize them to whatever color you want. So we've got your flying pig electric table. We've got your drawers right here with a countertop, overhead cabinet space for you to store your shampoo, conditioner, whatever you need. 50-inch tub. We can do a 60-inch tub. We do tubs that actually go up and down as well. So what do you think?
This is awesome. This is the nicest grooming trailer I've ever been in.
Well, what do you think about the room? Because that's what we hear from most customers. It's roomy.
It's got a ton of room. My grooming van, it ain't got the room. It's barely got the room for one person.
Got maybe a strip like this for you to walk to the tub.
I mean,
I'll have to give y'all some pictures. She came to my house for the first time the other day, and she could only groom 2 of my dogs because she's so busy. She doesn't even take new clients. I think it was the favor of the Lord that put us together, and I think God's got big plans in her life, and somehow he's going to let me be just a little small part of her chasing her dreams and get her in a bunch of trailers. I really see her scaling a business, and I just prophetically speak that over your life, that that God's gonna, you know, just show up and show out in your life. Emily, I truly believe that. You've got a business mindset. Someone that did that 8 years ago, you know. Anyway, God likes your thinking because you're thinking big. And he loves dreamers. And anyway, God's gonna do something special in her life. Y'all, we're gonna do a video in 5 years from now. This is 2026. In 2031, watch how many trailers she's going to have. She's going to have multiple trailers, and she's going to be killing it in the grooming industry. But This right here is plenty of room. You showed up at my house and I opened the door. She was in the middle of doing the dog. I had to go get something. I was like, whoa, man, that's tight in there. You better be small if you're gonna be in a van. Now, if you're a trailer, you can like groceries like me and eat all you want and have plenty of room. But guys, this is 7.5 foot tall. Again, we can do them as tall or as short as you want. What I love about ours is, like I said, the propane package is the huge thing, because she has to fill her diesel generator or her Onan generator up every single day. With this, you can run a week and a half off that 100-pound propane tank, and then you've got your generator full of gas. So in the middle of the day, if you're washing a dog and the water runs out just like it did then, guess what? Or your power runs out, guess what? You can still keep going because you've got gas in your generator. That's what I love about the dual fuel generator, is you've always got a backup plan. You're never going to get caught in the middle of the day and run out of power. Another thing that I like about ours is, in a van, if your van breaks down, you're out of work until somebody can get you back up and running.
And I have had to take, and there's no one to work on my van. I have to take it hours away to get somebody to work on it. I'm out once.
The closest one is Florida.
Yep.
And it's an old man. He's the only person we found.
And
that
he's
works
about
on
to
Odo.
retire.
Yes.
Yep.
So the generator that we use is a GenMax 9000 dual fuel generator. They're around $1,800. They've got a 3-year warranty on them, and the great thing about us is we have a nationwide warranty. We sell trailers all over the United States. We sold one of these 2 months ago to someone in Alaska. If their trailer, something goes wrong, you've got 5 years on your trailer, and then 3 years like on the air conditioner, generators, different stuff like that. But if you have an issue, we don't make you come back to Douglas, Georgia for you to get it fixed. We find someone locally to come to you, fix your trailer, so you're not broke down. You need to be making money. And when I got in this business, nobody did that. I saw there was a need in the market, and everybody's warranty said, oh, you got a warranty, but you got to bring it back to the manufacturing plant. Well, if you got to do that, I can't sell you a trailer in Washington State and you have a warranty. It's not a warranty. I mean, I call them right blinker warranties. You hit your right blinker and pull out of here, and they forget you existed. But this is a 7x14. We're getting ready to go to the Global Pet Expo in March in Orlando. We will be at the convention center. If anybody's planning on going to a grooming convention, that is the one to go to. We go to Super Zoo in Vegas as well, but we'll be showcasing a trailer down there. You should come check it out. March 25th through the 27th. But guys, we finish out the floors. We've got 30x30 windows on each side, so there's plenty of light in the daytime. Or if it's night, you've got plenty of lights obviously in here. Hot water heater, instant hot water heater. You can control the, your temperature of your water right there. A dog doesn't like to take a cold bath, and neither do I. We'll walk around the back. We've got a stereo system in this one. We've got your exhaust fan right here. God, what are them things called? But anyway, very nice exhaust fan. Sucks all the humidity out of the trailer. When you're drying a dog, you don't want humidity. It takes 3 times as long if you don't have this in here. I learned the hard way. When we started building these 9 years ago, there was a learning curve on perfecting this trailer, and I feel like we've got, no lie, I've been to all the conventions, we've got the best trailer out there. Even when Wagon Tails was doing it, their trailers were $93,000. Ours are half that, and people said the quality and everything is, a lot of people, Jake, you've heard them, they like ours better, don't they? So that's something I'm proud of. We sell all kind of customizable trailers, but these grooming trailers are my favorite trailer to sell because I know people are going to be successful. If you buy a concession trailer from me, I'm just going to be honest with you, 1 out of 4 people make it. 100 out of 100 make it in the grooming business, and I want to see people grow and be successful, so that's why I'm so passionate about this. Air conditioner up top. Most of ours, this one's got a manual AC on it. Most of ours have a remote control that you control the temperature. Radio behind Jake's head, and we've got a electrical package with a 12-volt converter system. So if you're not running the generator, you can actually turn your lights on and stuff. But let's walk around and let's talk about the utility room. Y'all hear that? I'm not even supposed to be one of her clients. I knew one of her friends and begged for her to give me her number so I could at least ask. I said, all she can say is no. She's like, she ain't taking no
I even think I may have told you, like, I don't take new clients. I'm very selective with my clients, and that's the good thing about it. I work with some really good people. I work with people who are gonna bless me.
Yeah. Well, there is a demand in the market for sure, and we're gonna help you, capture that market in Douglas. And not only Douglas, I see it going from Douglas to Ben Hill to Tifton to Waycross to, I mean, as far as you want to go. I've got one lady that has 14 trailers, y'all. She started in Kissimmee, Florida. I built her very first trailer 9 years ago. She's the one who helped me create this. Hey, Catherine, hope you're doing well. And she has 14 trailers now. And actually, she's got 16. We've got 2 in production. She orders 2 every year, y'all. At the end of every year, she needs to spend some money. She's making so much money. She orders 2. She told me she would order 4, but she can't find the people to put in them. So there is a demand. If you're looking to be your own boss, this is a 100% success rate. As long as you're not lazy. And I've even seen some that are lazy make it. Guys, I've even seen some lazy people make it.
You don't even have to know how to actually cut the hair. If you can just be able to cut the toenails, offer a service that does de-shed, wash toenails. You don't have to get scissors. You don't have to get clippers. You can just wash. Yeah. You'll have clients all day, every day.
Yep, and you'll even turn a lot down, and you'll get to pick and choose who you want to work with. The ones that are real cheap and don't want to be a blessing to you, you can say, I'm sorry, it didn't work out that this time, and move on. Because anyway, I can't stand people that don't take care of people that's out there working hard, busting their butt. And I'm gonna get off my soapbox on that, but go ahead.
And another great thing about the cargo trailer, I have highly considered if we wanted to go on a beach trip, we could pull a cargo trailer down to the beach and set up alongside a pet-friendly beach. And people all day will absolutely just say, hey, I want my dog washed before we go back to the hotel. And then we could be on vacation and completely pay for the vacation, just working I would say one day or a couple hours out of the day when it's most heavy with traffic, with dog clients coming in and out. You could absolutely just pay for a whole vacation, taking it down to the beach.
Guys, one thing separates us. A lot of our competition uses a 45-gallon freshwater tank. It won't be enough to get you through the day. 75-gallon freshwater tank, 75-gallon waste tank. Ours are above they're not mounted up under the trailer, so you never have to worry about going over railroad tracks, speed bumps, and cracking your tank. Again, instant hot water heater, propane. We've got a light up here. We've actually got heaters on our tanks. When I hit that switch right there, boom, your tanks are now being heated up. So if you were, like I said, in Alaska, you can work in crazy conditions. And we put a heater back here. This is called a winterized package, so it keeps this room hot. It's not, because that air conditioner's got heat strips in it, but if you got a camper or anything, it's not a heater. So we put real heaters in them. This right here is just a vacuum system. We do several different styles, clipper vacs, vacuum systems. We put a light up there, but how much easier, Caleb, is this to work on compared to our van?
Major. From the generator to the waste side, efficiency is huge as far as gas. I mean, and everything's accessible. When I tell you, you would have to pull that van apart to access the waste tank. Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Oh, I know, man. I've seen them. I actually thought about building vans. We've thought about it. We've toyed around with it because some people are terrified of pulling a trailer. But guys, I'm telling you, if you'll get that, you don't have a spirit of fear, timidity, but of power, love, and sound mind, and Jesus will help you drive a trailer. They're not hard. When I got in this business 10 years ago, I did not know how to back a trailer. I'll admit it. I didn't know a lot of things. When I didn't know what 12 on center meant, and now I know that means the spacing's 12 on center on the cross members. I was the dumbest one in the room, but God will take the foolish things of the world to conform to wise, and I'm just an example. But guys, don't worry about pulling the trailer. You will figure it out. It's way more cost efficient for you. It's going to generate the same amount of money as that van, and we've went over a lot of the pros and cons buying a trailer compared to a van. And Emily, Caleb, thank y'all so much for coming out and doing this video, because I wanted somebody to really hear someone that's working out of a van. And I'm not knocking vans, y'all. I want everybody to be successful. I'm just showing you why I would purchase a trailer instead of a van if I were you. But guys, thanks for watching all our videos. Again, we're going to be at the Global Pet Expo, March 25th through 27th, Orlando, Florida Convention Center. And guys, we got a lot of cool, exciting things coming up. Again, you can get them in all different colors. Back there is we've got that exclusive color. I don't know if you can see it, but that is soft turquoise. A lot of our customers wanted that color and nobody had it, so I went out and created it myself, and we are the only ones who have that color, guys. So you can tell I'm kind of passionate about this, and I like to see people chase their dreams and be successful. But guys, if you're looking for a grooming trailer, call us at 888-287-3954. Again, 888-287-3954. You can find us online at renowncargotrailers.com. We've got a mobile grooming trailers website.com as well. Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, all that stuff. We're all over the place, and we look forward to the opportunity to earn in your business next, guys. And I hope you have a blessed year. And I want you to know one thing: whether you buy this trailer or not, Lord, you make me cry. I want you to know that Jesus loves you. If you knew where I'd been and know where I'm at now, you'd praise him too. And I don't care what you're doing right now, he loves you right where you're at. And if you run across this video and want to hear about more of God's amazing love, call us. We'll stop what we're doing. That's why I got in this business. It wasn't to ever sell a trailer. It was to make the name of Jesus famous. He changed my life radically. When I was 26 years old, I didn't believe in Jesus. I thought he was like Santa Claus. And I collided with the love of God. And ever since then, I said, God, I will make your son's name famous. So that's what we're here for. God just uses trailers as a tool. But guys, we love you. Thanks for watching our videos. Can't wait to see you soon. Y'all know the rest. Hustle hard, stay humble, and be blessed. Thank y'all.